So we should be online. Let me just get the link for the stream. My God, every day I have the plan to stream earlier, but something happens and I can't. It's incredible. It's like God is watching the stream. He's watching my life, I mean, and he's like, no, you're not streaming earlier. Just announcing on my Discord server, everyone, spy decomp stream. So yesterday I made a video. Let me just get it here. That I think everyone should watch. Basically, the fact that targeting ARM 32 is now a possibility. It's one of the things that I've been aiming to do. I have a previous video about doing something similar, but the build was broken for a long time. Now it's back at it. The CMake list changes plus this fixed it perfectly. But yeah, since today I want to waste no time. I'm just going to start. But yeah, ps2lowsfx. Oh, I didn't even start this. That's great. So spy. How many to-dos? I have some fix me's. So init at start. Okay. Not many though. So actually I do have quite a few. Set reverb type. Okay, I need to check this reverb type thing first. Sorry. Reverb. Okay, it's indeed okay. Why did I get pinged? Okay. Okay, think that not okay. What should I do first? Modify volume. Didn't I do this yesterday? Set voice volume, okay. Oh, okay. I've seen this indeed. What is this v3? Oh, it's a string. Doesn't really matter. So modify position. Modify position. Yeah. So yeah, modify position seems... Wow. It calls into... Oh yeah, right here. Modify volume. I don't know why it was not showing up. Wait, they care about the result? Let me just take a quick peek at Ghidra first. Okay, Ghidra is starting. Yeah, I don't think modify vol THP. Okay, it's indeed void voice ID VLVR. Good. Take this out. So unsign int. voice ID VLVR. Volume left, volume right, maybe. I guess that's what these guys mean. Okay, well, voice ID, okay, makes sense. Okay, this looks pretty straightforward, I must admit. Just removing the return type makes a lot of the heavy lifting. Voice ID. So I've got one of these functions. Yeah, the set pan inline. No, I got something. Oh yeah, adjust volume. Yeah, indeed, you got inline for no good reason. Wow. So V12. So this is an array. So this. Okay. Okay, maybe I can start by doing this. Doesn't look too overly complicated. I see that. V2 equals 1. Oh, okay. Doesn't make much sense to do this. Okay, I can this is incredible. 0 to 250. Oh, that's true. That's 256. And sign chart 256. So GSFX vol array. That's how I'll call it. Yeah, okay. And just do this. So my absolute A1. So if V1, that's kind of weird, that check. This one is more normal. V2 equals 1. And I need to copy that message. This one, do assert. I don't know why it took me so long to have a proper do assert. Good. Hey, links. Time no see, man. I can just do this. If v1 okay, return to 55. I can. It's only used here, right? Oh, one pause. Okay, that's good. I just need to... One of the coolest features about IDA is that I can do this. So Shift E. Oh my god, look at this. Initialize C variable, yeah. C unsigned char array. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. This is exactly what I wanted. So I can just go here. Yoink. Of course, I need to fix this. Yeah, today I'll probably try to do a shorter stream. I'm tired and I came way too late into the stream. But I just get derailed by random stuff. It's a little annoying. Last year, around summertime, man, it was so nice to work on the project. Now I get so much random shit. I just replied. Fuck, man, that one is... Just replying to text. Jesus. Okay, this seems good. BCS. I want to stream now. I cannot. I don't want to lower my stream time. I want to actually. I can just call it inline. Does this look fine? I'd say so. So it's... This will be optimized. Wait. Okay. Let's just quickly check. What was that you copied from IDA? Sorry, I didn't see your message before links. Are you talking about this screen or this? I mostly copy these strings over here. You see? Like I don't need perfect strings, but it makes it easier to validate stuff. I kind of on time crunch. Jesus Christ. I'm good at multitasking, but Jesus Christ. Sometimes with boring stuff, I just don't want to multitask at all. Okay. Where's the 4,000? Right here. Oh yeah, okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, indeed. It's part of this function. I don't really know this DCFX set volume. As this, that's why I called it volume array, because it's a volume function. I gotta admit, I have no idea why it's the thing. Interesting. But yeah, I was mostly bragging about the fact that IDA is able to even do that in the first place. Like exporting data like that. I used to do it manually, so now it's much more convenient. Okay, this looks good. But I'm just confused, why is this so different? Okay. Maybe when it's in line, I'll just need to verify it. Not okay, validate. It's not a big problem. But yeah. Like when you have blobs of data in IDA, like with like a integer, or it's fine to copy, you can just write the value. But we have global variables that are complex data structures. If I define the data structure in IDA, I can then export that as a C data structure, or in this case C++. It's basically the same thing. And that, man, that's so convenient. It's the fact that I don't need to do extra validation on that. DCFX adjust volume. So yeah. So the function that I just did is this DCSFX adjust volume, right? And since the function is called adjust volume and there's a global thing here, I believe they are related, you see? That this array has something to do with volume. And that's basically the way that I'm operating. Yeah. The cool thing about the decompilation is that you don't actually need to understand the code. It's better if you do, for sure, but for the most part, you just need to do plus 20. Oh yeah, these are the GCFX entries. Okay. CFX, like, to get matching code, you don't need to understand what's going on. You just need to, you know, do the thing. Okay, understand it now. The PowerPC is much more readable. Jesus Christ. Do you also do memory analysis and to figure out data structures and data types and such? Kind of, but I do it naturally. For example, when you have a comparison like this, you see jump less or equal here. This means that this thing is assigned integer. And sometimes even IDA shows that it needs to cast a value. So if I see that the field of a structure needs to be cast to unsigned, it kind of builds that suspicion that it might be an unsigned type, you know? But yeah, that's mostly it. Or if you see a byte being assigned to a memory address, you kind of know that it's only 1 byte long, that whatever data is there. There are some exceptions, but yeah. Because usually everything tries to be written in its native size. But yeah, that's mostly it. I don't do anything super advanced. Like if I see in the constructor of a class a field being assigned and it's an integer, but figuring out floats is a little trickier, but I gotta admit I'm a lot better now at identifying floats. The hexadecimal values just pop up too much. Like you look at an hexadecimal value in you look at the hexadecimal value of a float and you can instantly tell. Like I can now tell 1.0. I don't remember, but when I see it, it's just so obvious what I'm looking at. So just trying to, oh, so many things here. This one on the left looks fine. But here, what do they call it? They call, oh, what? Is V8 used for anything important or no? Oh, set pan. Use V10. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, it's mostly that. It's funny because you look at these for so long and stuff starts to make sense, even that, even though that it kind of shouldn't. Yeah. For example, I only know that this thing is unsigned char right here, this field A, but I kind of have an idea what this means. Like usually this 1A for this specific data structure means that the thing is alive or it matters. So I kind of know what's going on. So D3, that's a voice idea. Okay, this was written the other way around. I can copy this and yeah, kind of, yeah. Because according to the previous code, to allocate a new entry here, it checks that field. So, you know, just doing this. Now I need to else. Okay, just yeah, exactly. Okay. I know that when it says jump greater or equal, I know the instruction does not have an equal. Or whenever the instruction mentions equal, it means there's no equal. That's basically. Oh, so this is the same code for both of them. Okay, so I can just go here, duplicate this code, do this, VL to VR, done. I also am try to rebuild the code as often as possible, just to make sure. Okay, so okay, there's a do assert here that doesn't do shit. What is going on here with 15? Ah, wait, there's some goofy code here. I guess something got in line here. Pan out of range. Okay. I guess this was a macro here. And I can tell it's a macro because there's like this assert is always one. That means that something got in line big time. I don't know why this happens here and then it's a sign down here. Not sure. This one goofy thing. Wait, I can actually try to check how does it look on the Ghidra version. So modify volume. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, interesting. What? Okay. Or is this how the? Well, it depends. Most of the things that you see here are either named, but the previous streams I spent actually fixing a lot of the names. Not fixing, but actually giving it proper names. That's what I meant. Why is this V7 here? This V7 here. Okay. Okay. For the things that, if I have like a function, you know, that's called set something, and it's only writing to a specific variable, I might go ahead and just put a proper name on the thing. I also have access to the Tony Hawk Prosecutor symbols, and I can rely on those. But it's not something that I actively do, to be honest. Something that I... Okay. Okay, I need to do the same thing for V6 here for some reason. It's definitely, it starts to feel like a macro, gotta be honest. So VR, V6. Like, local variables I usually don't care, to be honest. They are not that important, in my opinion. Wait, this is the inline stuff, no? Oh, yeah, no. I need V10, okay. I need this, and I need to pass V6, okay. So DCSFX is just volume. This is how this code looks like. Yeah, this is, okay, I understand it. Okay, let's just build this. Beautiful. Now it's time to validate it. So I started to recently check the length of the function. It's a really good indicator. Modify position. Wait, modify volume. The length is, oh shit, mine is bigger. A lot bigger. Wow. Maybe I added too much code. Okay. Just take a high level overview with this. So look, let's take a look. EDI, EDI. Okay, I have lots of EDIs here for some reason. I'm using more stack, no? No, I'm using the exact same amount of stack. Okay. This is exactly what I thought it would look like. Yeah. Okay. This thing here. Maybe it's all of that weird rigmarole there. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh shit, this is a little out of order. So CX, okay. Yeah, it's a little out of order, but nothing crazy though. Mm-hmm. Maybe it kind of mattered, right? Uh, yeah, he showed up on. I can't even show. Yes, I know exactly who we were talking about. Let me show you something. So, can I wait? Right here and show this. I commented on one of his videos, and he replied like literally yesterday. He's working on the Symphony of the Night decompilation. I like more people doing this, but yeah, I know exactly who we were talking about. Maybe because I do it that way. Maybe if I do it this way, it's a bit different. But yeah, I like that more people are streaming the compilation projects, because it's kind of insane when if you try to explain to someone that you spend hours trying to achieve if you're working on a matching decompilation, it's even harder to explain to people. Like if I need to answer what I actually do, this is it. This is ECX thing that's happening here. Push EDI. But that doesn't add that many bytes though. Let me look at the start. Yeah, okay, this looks fine. Is he streaming now? I don't know where he lives. It's mostly dependent on where. So usually I stream after a day of work, so I don't know when he streams, and I guess it's the same. I guess. Since we are both now streaming daily, I think he's streaming daily from what I checked on his channel. It increases the chances a lot if he's based in Europe, I gotta say. He uses decomp.me for his stuff. I don't use decomp.me. I do know a lot of people that work on that project. It's kind of cool. But yeah. Okay, this is the biggest difference though. This might look dummy what I'm about to do, but then he's most likely a European. I doubt he would wake up in the morning and be like, oh yeah, let's decomp. I only did it once, to be honest. It's when I had to catch a flight. But yeah. PS1 decomps and N64 don't attract me because they're mostly matching ones, and there's this thing that they call shiftability, which if you have slightly different alignment of stuff, it breaks everything. That's like, unless you have like the project that he works on, Symphony of the Night, has so many people working on it compared to mine, that I'm like, yeah, okay, I understand. Wait, sorry. That I'd say that doing a matching decompilation when you're by yourself, it's kind of insane, in my opinion. Huh. Maybe here they use the different absolute. Maybe they use the real absolute. Oh, yeah. And I like that there exists matching decompilation projects, but I'm currently alone working on my project, so I need to focus my energy on stuff that I. Huh. I did something jump greater or equal yesterday, similar to this. Fuck. It seems something similar to this. Do I have it? Wait. Okay, this one is correct. So this part is correct. What's incorrect is this one over here. so confused by, like, my code is good enough, but I still want to understand what the fuck happened there. Let me just do it the simple way, right? Just do A1. Let's do it this way. Oh. Okay, let's do it this way. And then we can think about the rest. Funniest thing is when people ask me if I can start a decom project for them. I find those messages quite funny and entertaining. Oh god. Oh, right here, okay. It became this salad. Huh, interesting. When will... I know that I had a test lower than the 0 thing. Was it in this file though? I remember that it was yesterday or a couple days ago. Or like if I have time to work on a decom project that is not even set up. One thing is asking me, hey, I have this decom project and I'd like to have some help. Fine, whatever. But man, what is this goofiness? I had some code like this. Oh, I understand. I understand it now. Okay. I guess it's something weird like this. Wait. I guess it's something like this, right? I guess that's how they wrote the fucking code. 100. What? Fuck, I want to get this shit to match and it's just looking weird. What? No. Okay. V1. Yoink. V1 A1. Let's see if this matches now. Them greater or equal. Oh my god. It's hurting my small brain. Oh, I know. Fuck. Yeah, wrong function again. Oh, looks much better. See? Now I got it to match. Only took a longest time. Mr. 153? Why is my code bigger? 14D. So I have 3 F E D. So I have 6 extra bytes somewhere. Not these ones. Oh, you see it even changed the order of these, which is cool. Where are the 6 extra bytes coming from? Kind of crazy. The other day I even had to compare the hexadecimal of these functions. It was insane. So locals. Chin locals. What? Oh, that's... Oh god, I was looking at the wrong one. 153. Oh yeah, I have a matching function. Fucking hell. If the length is the same and the locals are the same, and from the high level it looks fine. It doesn't look fine though. Maybe I should merge these two. What? This doesn't look fine. But the size is... Oh. Okay. I don't think my code is wrong though. So everything is the same. Okay. Oh man. Oh man, it's actually matching. Why am I always looking at the wrong thing? For fuck's sake, man. Not again. Wait, this is... I was looking at the wrong function and it was looking weird. Yeah, it's the same size. Yeah, okay. Jesus Christ. It was breaking my small brain. Matching and adjust volume is also matching. Jesus Christ. I lose more time trying to understand the stupid things that I did than actually. SFX modify volume. I got so many pings, what the fuck? Okay, good. Okay. Load bank, modify position. So I did modify volume. I can take a look at modify position. Yeah, but it doesn't exist. Ah, it exists. So voice ID, position, delta distance. Okay. I can take a look at here. Modify position. So voice ID. Is it just called position or p position? It's literally just called position. And then it's delta underscore list. Yeah, SFX modify volume. Good. V6. Okay. For example, here, IDA says that V6 is an unsigned short. So I can kind of infer that that gap 14 right here is unsigned short. And when I do this, the cast disappears. So the reason why it's saying that is that it's putting these casts in the comparison, right? So it's telling me that something here is not unsigned and it's breaking their math. Oh, this is a crazy one. Maybe I should leave it for a little later. Maybe I should do set whatever this shit is. This. Let's quickly do the simple stuff and then. Oh, it doesn't look simple at all. Yet I did it. Oh, these are luck boys. Okay. Oh, interesting. Most of these things don't exist in the code anymore. SFX music. Okay. I can look for this. So here we see right here. Okay. This is a super easy function, as you might imagine. This is not initialized. So G SFX DC sound. So this I can call G boot ROM sound mode. This is not a super important function, you know, but doing it can be helpful. So SI malloc. Oh, this is actually allocating memory. Okay. Okay. Export bool G boot ROM sound mode. Right here. A1, delete all of this. With this. Good. And need to replace the print if false. Print if false with do assert. Okay, there's something very wrong here. This one. Actually kept this one. Really? It even tells me the name of the function, so I have no reason to not believe it. So, I think these come from stubs. I might be wrong though. Let's just do this, right? So memory is allocated and then quickly freed is insane, but sure. So one. Oh yeah. Not buildable code. Yeah, I think it's in stubs. I might be wrong. It's in PCDC mem. Okay. Oh, that's not how you write it. There's a capital M. If I don't have proper capitalization, the code won't build on Linux. That's something that, as I said, I really care about, so need to be more careful. So CFG init. Where is this located though? It's in stubs. Okay. I should include stubs regardless. So stubs, stubs.h, stubs.h right here. CI. Do I need to pass a pointer? Most likely I need to pass a pointer. Yeah, doesn't do shit. So, void pointer, yeah. Stub CPP. This will be super easy to do. So it just return 0. Okay, matching. Literally what it does, right? Yeah, just return 0. Okay. Yeah, let's just keep CFG in it. Okay, this should just build, no problems. So SI, CFG in it, good. This is like nothing. Come here. Good. Is CFG set sound mode? Where does it? Are they all coming from the same place? Yes, they are. And it returns 0. Okay. Set sound mode. Doesn't matter. It's return 0. These are the easiest functions to do, as you might imagine. Export. Oh, I did not export any of these. That's cute. Yeah, I don't need to export it here because they are already exported. My god. Sometimes I don't think. Okay. So we can do another commit. CI set sound mode. Okay, good. Now I need to do CI config exit. This also, I think, has a parameter. At least should. No, it doesn't. What? It doesn't have a parameter? It doesn't have a parameter. That's interesting. Good. And void. Perfect. So, yeah, I said it too. CFG exit. Is this how it goes? Okay, just do this. The stuffs are so easy to do. DC 75, okay. Fuck. Okay, I have the same size. Okay, AL, arc0, BL, yeah. Looks good, good. Looks good. Looks good. I don't know why this one was materialized here, but sure. Okay, this looks really good. Okay. And I can go here. Oh, I didn't set the name beforehand. Okay, whatever. To the other one. That's fine. Okay, matching. PC set boot ROM sound mode. PC set boot ROM sound mode. When I say that I want to do simple stuff, this is more what I mean. Spool in level CFX. I think I've seen this here. Spool in CFX. Okay. The name. Spool in level sound effects. VAB0. Interesting. What else do I need? Okay. Come here. Close. Oh yeah. Close bank. Copy file name default extension. Really comes from here, this? Okay. Most likely it's from here. Oh yeah, most likely. Okay, okay. Copy file name default extension. So char int const char const char char int const char const char. Okay. Okay, so this is the file name. Okay. So this is the buff. This is the LAN name. This is the name. This is the extension. This is the extension. So this is how it goes. So it looks for the dot. Okay, this is pretty simple. Copy. Oh, I already have this. Oh, I already have it. What the heck? Yeah, this is pretty cool. Yeah, this. I didn't know that I already had this shit. But yeah, it's literally here. Okay. I can look at here in spawn in level effects. Yeah. Keep this as is. It's for strings, yep. It's only called name, right? In level. Yeah, no, it's called pname. Pname. Can tell that different people work on this. Pname. So I can just do this. So the idea is simple. Do assert pname and pname. So it's an actual string. That's most of it. SFX close bank. GSFX related out level. Yeah, that's it. Copy file name extension. V6. So V6 looks like it's only this big. Actually, I think it's actually 60. But so V6. Yeah, exactly. In name, and what's the extension? Cat. So cat SFX load bank. So the 5 GS with that level. Copy file name v56 in name and SFX. SFX parse file v5. I have no idea what are those parameters. Something, 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 something. Okay. So char. Oh, this is empty. This is empty. 64. Okay, I can take a quick look at this, guys. $192. 64. Okay, indeed. So where's... Okay. No, no, not you. This guy. Kind of weird, but yeah, sure. Mm-hmm. What else do I need? G, right. G parse psx1, G parse psx2. Two. Okay, let's take a look how this looks like. Cannot third parameter? I mean the third parameter. Oh, you short. Okay, okay. So you short is this, and beautiful. So now I can validate this. One F7. Oh, mine is bigger. Okay. It's kind of crazy. Hmm. Wait a minute. Okay, it's literally here. Okay. Hmm. I got this in line. Hmm. Okay, that's interesting. So that time I don't get everything to inline like that. Oh, fuck off. Chopper, chop. Let me just do this temporarily. Not this one. This guy. Yeah. Maybe their code was a little different. Okay. Yeah, okay. It's literally 56. What the fuck? If you see 56 here, right? Size of V5. So that's what I want you to see. In this case, it's always tied to it. Makes a little more sense. I need to put the inline again. Maybe my code is more simple. Oh yeah. 189 spool in level. Oh, now I'm 2 bytes short. No, what the? Oh yeah, I guess it's related to these guys over here. Yeah, this thing over here. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, this thing over here is weird. I don't know why this happened, but yeah. I now remember. Inline shit. Okay. I mean, not built-ins, but are they called built-ins? Maybe, I think they are. Okay, it's the same thing. Okay, okay. Okay, so I need to go to SFF stop inline git diff looks good. To be even better, I need to do this. Okay, git commit sfx spool in level sfx. Okay, that's good. So spool out. Yeah, I can do spool out now. Spool out is quite simple. So just go here, where, yeah, this one. Spool out. What? It's not spool out. It's insane. Spool out. Yeah, this spool out. Okay. Oh yeah, this is spool out. Everything got fucking lined. But yeah, I can just add this. This is just fx close blank. G fx result level. Perfect. And now I go here. $100. F8. Yeah, a couple bytes off. Dude. Yeah, that thing. It's the 2 bytes twice thing. Okay. Alrighty-o. Yeah, this looks good. I gotta admit. What? I'm here. Perfect. So it's the same thing, but without. I don't know. I give translate level specific alias string. What? Yeah, I think it's this one. Oh, nice. So I forgot to call these what they were. Here you go there. Yes, so this is a unsigned short pointer. That's a size 64. Okay, that's fine. Can just do this. So from here to translate. So it's good. I don't know if I'll just do -1 or I can just do break. You know, imagine doing something like this, right? Wouldn't it be the same? Okay, this looks fine. But I need to validate one line. Void function returning. That's true, that's true. Oh, okay, this is interesting. Translate level specific. Level specific array. Okay, I just found the names of these two guys. So it actually returns an unsigned. This A1 is called alias. Okay, and level specific array 192. So this is now okay. This is now okay. So sfx level alias array sfx level specific array. Okay, this is good. I guess this is how they wrote the code. I wouldn't write it like this, but at least it's some. Okay. I can believe that this randomS function is a thing that is going to give me better understanding of this. Jesus Christ. I like it. 3 errors, only 3. G parse. Oh yeah, that's true. Effects. Alias array, okay. Okay. Not okay. Validate when inline. So this is how it should go. Git commit. Translate. Level specific alias. Level specific alias to index. SFX and pause. Yeah, I need to give these guys. So unsigned short 64. That's what this guy is. This is unsigned 192. Alrighty. How many things I've done today? 9. Okay, let's do one more, I guess. ECX pitch to DC pitch, okay. Right here, okay. Exactly. This V12 is this. Okay. Good, good. So what I need to do is okay. Else it's this rigmarole. Okay. So F32, A1. Okay, I guess this is fine. Can take a look at it. Can validate it. 2 errors? Where? Log, okay. Need C math. So I need to include here C math. Not much. C math. Just want to shut up the compiler. I don't want warnings, because if I get the matching version and I have no warnings, then yeah, it says enough. I should only care about real warnings about bugs that I introduce. And yeah. What? No, not this one. Yep. Good. Good, 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 good. So I have a double here somewhere. Where the fuck is the double? 1.4. Where is that 1. Ah! Not a double, it's a float. Real? Uh, yeah, okay, it's not the same. Okay, I need to fix this. This is why I don't like floating point stuff. The instructions have the same mnemonics, but it's not clear that it's different instructions. Hmm. Echo in the. There's log F. Okay. Maybe I can try log F. Uh, yeah, just live with the warnings like an adult. Ooh. Let's just do it this way, right? Oh no, you're converting stuff. No. Okay. Right. It's the same function, lol. Maybe because it was in line, it's different, but I don't think so. Oh, let's just keep it at the minimum, right? Maybe it's something like this, right? Maybe it's something as goofy as this, right? And it causes that dump. Everything got promoted. Fuck, man, it was better before. I cannot get this shitty match now, for fuck's sake. This is why I hate floating points. Mass square root was the first time I got stuck. Okay. I actually need that one. Okay. I just... Okay, much better. Looks good. Yeah. Why? Why there's extra instructions, man? Jesus Christ. Everything is floats now, but float star. Already, if I put that with speaking. I did this. I have an extra operation there. Trying to understand it. Not the first time I've seen something like this. Yeah. SX bitch. It's weird. Okay. I have no idea why this is happening like this. This might seem weird, but if I do this, just posted on the decomp me server, asking for help for this. Just changed a couple things. I think I'm missing the most important part, like the opcodes. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Okay, I have it on the other screen because it will be easier to compare. General, like 8, yeah. Oh, it shows up here, it shows here. Okay, it doesn't matter. DB, yeah, that's good to see. Yes, same. D9, D9, DD, yes. Yeah, E8, whatever. Hmm. Let me look at this. Uh, is it called consistent math? Visual Studio Fast Math option. Uh, Fast Math. Hmm. Fuck, man. I'm trying to look for a compiler option. Project. not configurations. I think it's no, not properties. What's okay? So it's right here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Pointer to member. Pointer to member. Best is always general purpose. I have no idea. Okay, whatever. Hmm. This is interesting. Any suitable might. Okay, I just changed something really important. It might change the code a lot. Maybe. Oh, fucking hell! I got the wrong. Okay, whatever. Okay, what was that? Spooling, right? Stop all. I go to. I go here and do this, right? And I can't get that shit too much. It's bothering me so much. Ah, floating points always piss me off. Pull in. Wow, that's true. Spool in. Wait, if I now, okay, now I understand. Okay, maybe that was the thing all along. That suitable online. Okay. Okay. What the fuck? Let me see this. I got this is crazy. I didn't know that this simplest function will take so much of my energy. Damn. This is why I hate floating point stuff. You either get it perfectly or it's impossible. Still not matching. What's the name? Yes. Oh, I definitely need that float consistency thing. It's generating such weird code now. Okay. Maybe I'm... Fuck, man. Where's PS? What if it's just like this? Did I say it? Because the code is not wrong, but man, not the first time this happens to me. What? Oh god, no. Hey, maybe this will help. I'm losing my mind over here. Actually, argument conversion from int to float, float to int, okay. That's fine. Need to figure this shit out, man. It's impossible. Jesus. I simply cannot. Man, help. Sir. Oh, I did not install it. Oh shit. Hmm. I really don't understand why these can do that. Double, yeah. It's not wrong what I have. I'd give it an okay regardless. If I do this, what will happen? There's a double, indeed. Okay, fuck it. I can get this shit to match it. I'll give it an okay. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to hand on an iNote, but PSX pitch to DC. PSX pitch to DC pitch. I wanted to hand on the iNote, but it's kind of impossible. And I met the 2 hours right now, so yeah. Kind of annoying, not gonna lie. But it's fine. So tomorrow, still have init at start, load bank, modify position, parse PSX. Is it that complicated? Parse PSX? I don't think SFX or parse SFX, I mean. I don't think this is very much complicated. Looks more like tedious, the proper way to describe it. As long as there's no floats or stuff like that, it's pretty simple. But yeah, play position might be fun. Really want to finish this tomorrow. And red book. How are the red book things to do? Ooh, they're quite big, but they don't seem very complicated, to be honest. Okay, this exe play. Yeah, this is the most complicated one. Just global after global. Exe init. Exe pause. Yeah, It doesn't seem much complicated, but I'll stop for today. Because, yeah. Alrighty-o. Did I do anything on that database? I don't think so. Go away. And yeah, I can push. Fuck, that last floating point stuff, I don't know. Maybe it's because it's in lines. It works a little different, but to me it's surprising that it does that. But yeah, Ghidro was helpful today indeed. And you made changes to the workspace. No, I don't want to change the workspace. I need to start a new terminal for this. Spike decomp Python backup. I'm backing up the IDBs. I'm a little bummed by that, but yeah, whatever. Floating points are always a pain in the butt, so we're close to the 800 commits, which is really cool. I'd like to remind everyone that I have a new blog post. You should go there to learn more and check out my latest video too. I'll copy. What? Never mind. Yeah. So this is my most recent video. You should go there to watch more, to learn more on how those things are going. You should all pass. Yeah, everything is passed. Let me just review what I did today. First general. Wanted to stream a little less today, but I ended up streaming more because things were coming out pretty nicely, I must admit. Yeah, this is weird. But yeah, today was a really good stream, I need to admit. Thanks, Links, for dropping by, and yeah, have a nice one. See ya.